Hello everyone, we'll be making these beautiful lotus flower hangings. So for that we'll be needing pipe cleaners like this. So take a pink color pipe cleaners and then you have to roll them together like this and tie it from the top. Now after that you have to just take a yellow color thing like this and then you have to put the petals over it and cover it like this and hang it, and it's done. Next we'll be making this toy. So take a wooden cardboard sheet and then you have to paste them together like this. Now after that make one more as such in the same manner and make an S letter like this by joining them. Now make another piece of it like this and then fix it in the between. Now put with the help of the stick so that it can rotate, and it's done. Next we'll be taking the crushed papers like this and tie them with the double-sided tape. Now take a red color paper, make the cone like shape over it and paste it like this. Now after that take the red color and red color papers and then make the ring chain out of it like this and fix it with the help of a stick, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a pencil and roll it with the wires like this and then put a cotton inside a plastic container and make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make a bunny like this, take its ears like this as shown in the video and put a fairy light inside it, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the papers to make this toy. So for that, we'll be needing paper strips of different colors as shown in the video, and then take a blue color paper pieces. Now staple them or just make the holes in the between. Now you have to put the paper strips on the sides of it. Apply the glue and put another blue sheet over it. Now take another one and fix the paper pieces like this together. And after that, we have to take a stick and make a hole and fix it in the between like this and apply the glue to fix it from the top. Take a piece of wooden cardboard sheet or a straw like this and fix it like this, and it's done. Next, take a green color paper, roll it like this and then you have to put the candies on the top of it. Take a pink color paper and paste it with the double-sided tape. Make the frills on it and then you have to roll it like this after pasting it. Now after that, roll it with the help of the candy like this which we made, and your flower sticks are ready. Next, we'll be making this bow and an arrow. So take the ice cream sticks, cut it like this from the between and then you have to paste it. Now fix the stick over it like this, and with the help of the clips you have to bend it little bit like this and put the rubber band and fix it like this, and your bow and the arrow is ready. Next, we'll be taking the yellow and pink color paper, make the moon out of it. Now take the white color paper and cut the circles out of it and make a bunny like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make two faces of the bunny. Fix them like this and make its hands. Now put some clouds over the moon. Now take a paper cup and fix the thread to hang it like this and put a fairy light in the between, and it's ready. Next, we'll be needing a printed origami paper and then fold it from the sides like this. So after folding it, we'll be folding it again from the between and paste it on the top like this. So after pasting it, make a hole by cutting it in the between like this. Make a U-like shape little bit, and your paper bags are ready. Next, we'll be making this watermelon theme fan or hand stick. So take a green color paper. Now take a red color paper stick to make its handle. Now take the yellow color sheet and paste it over it. Now you have to put the red one over it and make some seeds with the black marker like this. Now draw the lines on the back of it, and it's ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be making this toy. So for that, we'll be needing these straws and then you have to fold it like this. Now take the paper clips and fix them in a chain like this and then put them inside the water bottle filled with water like this, and your toy is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.